Hello everyone, I am Shalaka Kulkarni, science teacher, and I welcome you in Walnut School in this new academic year. I will be taking you on a tour of science curriculum across the year for 6th standard, and I am sure it is going to be a great experience for all of you. So you must be thinking that if my child is not interested in learning science, why he should learn this? So you know that science is everywhere around us. Every day we are learning some things from our surroundings. So is it not necessary for us to learn it? So let me tell you that first of all it's an NCERT requirement. And even there are so many different career opportunities open up when we learn science. Also students develop critical thinking and develop scientific attitude. Other than this, they also learn many things, teamwork skills develop, and they can apply logic behind each and everything. So, how are we doing this in Walnut School? We have presentation based teaching. So, the concepts given are explained properly in every period, and important questions are discussed. And the descriptive question answers should be completed at home by the students. Now in this class, students have to practice writing faster and long answers. Even the diagrams are very important in science. So it is necessary that students should practice the diagrams and labeling them neatly. Now what about practicals? Basic practicals starts from 6th standard onwards. So there are some hands-on activities are also conducted which will give them the introduction to practicals. Even some material will be sent home for additional observation, so the students have to carry them carefully and have to handle responsibly. As we have regular worksheets for each topic, we also provide them Exploron sheets which will give them the extra information about the topic, but this will not be included in the syllabus. The next thing comes about the homework. Henceforth, as the syllabus increases, students are expected to study regularly. Every day, at least 15 to 20 minutes should be spent so that the revision happens and students have to go through the content and completion of worksheets should be done. Now this was about academics. Other than this, we also conduct science fair once in a year where students can put up their projects. So difficulty level of projects will increase as they are in higher classes now. Students should do enough research for their project and work in a team which will improve their theory behind the subject. As the students are in higher class, students can try to study in some different way like in the format of mind map. So they can study the whole chapter in one glance. Even there are MCQs on Valmiki app which they can practice many times to clear their basic concepts. Now let me tell you something about examination. There are 2 terminal exams in a year and 4 unit tests. Descriptive type questions will be conducted in these exams, which are summative exams, and objective type exams are conducted in each unit, which are conducted as formative assessment. Unit tests will be for 15 marks, which goes for half an hour, and terminal exam will be for 50 marks, which will go for 1.5 hours. And formative exams will be for 10 marks. So the first term will be Unit 1 plus Unit 2 plus Term 1, and that will give us 25 plus 25 plus 50, which is total 100 marks exam. So Term 1 and Term 2 will give us 200 marks exam. Now the portion for the unit test will be the portion which we have covered in that particular unit. Terminal 1 will have portion of Unit 1 and Unit 2, and Terminal 2 exam portion will be a little bit different. That is, it will be from Unit 3 and Unit 4 and some lessons from Term 1 also. So as a 6th standard syllabus will be completed by Unit 3, and after that some lessons from Standard 7 will be introduced. As the students are in higher class, they have to keep some things in mind, that whether it is offline or online school, they should not miss the school. As the concepts are hard to catch up, they should be regular and they should go for writing a good handwriting. If they are irregular, then it may hamper their final results. Now let me discuss something very important with you, and that is the advantage of our Walnut School. So, as we complete the chapter regularly, we take the revision after that. Real science experiments are starting from this class onwards. So, students are very much excited always, and also there are many hands on activities conducted which are enjoyable and simultaneously gives us the learning experience. And that is why Walnut students are always tough outside and smart inside.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.